Today's story is The Clever Fox and the Crow. It is based on simple present tense. So let's start the story. One sunny morning, a crow sits on a tall tree branch. She holds a big juicy piece of cheese in her beak. She looks happy and proud of her treasure. A clever fox walks by and notices the crow. He stops and looks up. Wow, what a beautiful bird, he says loudly, hoping the crow hears him. The crow tilts her head and looks at the fox. She keeps the cheese tightly in her beak. The fox smiles and continues, "Your feathers shine like gold and your eyes sparkle like stars. I'm sure your voice is as sweet as your looks." The crow blushes but doesn't say anything. The fox pretends to be sad. "Oh, maybe I'm wrong," he says. "Maybe your voice is not beautiful." The crow feels insulted. She opens her beak to prove him wrong. "Cow, cow," she cries loudly. But as soon as she opens her beak, the cheese falls to the ground. The fox quickly grabs it and runs away, laughing. The crow watches helplessly and learns a lesson. So, friend, the moral of the story is don't trust flatters.